we're at Kmart today on a mission to transform our tiny home on wheels with some budget-friendly redecorating. Hi guys, and welcome back to Moonstone Chariot. If you are new here, hello. I am Brandy and this is
Ben.
If you guys have been following along, then you know that we've been preparing for the lap of Australia,
Which included mechanics, renovations, and redecorating.
which brings us to today's video. As we know that we'll probably be selling this van in about 10 months, we knew that we didn't want to break the bank when it came to decorating. But we still wanted to make it our own and make it cute and homey.
Enter Kmart?
Back in the United States, we were huge Target shoppers. And so moving to Australia, there was a little bit of culture shock when there is actually something called Target here that looks like Target, but is in absolutely no way, shape, or form Target. However, something that we don't have much of in the United States anymore, or maybe at all at this point, is Kmart. So when Ben was renovating the van and we decided that we wanted to redecorate just a little bit, we gave ourselves a little bit of a challenge. How much of it could we do by shopping at Kmart? And we're going to take you along for that journey in today's video. So for Kmart today, we've got just a small list. We're looking for paint supplies, vinyl tiles for the floor, maybe some storage containers, and maybe a cute little throw rug. Maybe. Okay, so a little hitch in our plan. We were able to find the white paint and the sage paint, which we weren't able to find at the other Kmart. And I was able to get the painting kit, which for $9, that's pretty great because this is everything I'll need, including tape. But unfortunately, of course, they don't have the tiles for the floor. So we will have to go to the other Kmart and hope that they still have them there, because I think they only had 2 there last time. Okay, now that I have all the supplies, it's time to sand and paint. My goal is to have the entire van painted before we have to take Mika back to the mechanic, but we'll see how it goes. Hello. So I didn't get all the painting done before we had to take Mika to the mechanic. But we do have Mika back now, and it is just in time because we basically have to move out of our apartment tomorrow. So we're gonna have to put redecorating on hold for just a moment as we move back all of our stuff into the van. Luckily, we have some friends who said that we can stay at their house for a few days while we actually get Mika road trip worthy. Okay, so I did have to go back to Kmart 2 times to get blue tack man hooks, a pillow for the new chair that Ben built us, as well as our little throw rug, and also got a throw blanket as well. Oh, and fairy lights. So now I think we have everything, and now I just have to put on the little finishing touches. We bought Mika already converted, and we are very grateful for that. She had at least 2 owners before us, and they both put their own personal touches on her. And now we have as well. I am so happy with the foundation that was laid by the previous owners and the way that they did build out the bed frame and the drawers that are underneath the bed in the back. I'm also super happy with all of the additions that Ben made and all the renovations that he did. They look amazing, and I'm so proud of all that he did. And now that I've gotten to put my own little sense of style on it, I am very happy with the final results. And that's it for our budget-friendly redecorating of our Ford Transit van with nothing but Kmart finds. Ben, how do you feel about the results?
It's super cute, and honestly, I don't know how we found all of that at Kmart.
Honestly, me neither. I'm very happy with how it turned out. It did come out to be way more of a green color scheme than I expected. Normally we go for more of a blue color scheme, but I feel like it has a little bit of a blue hue to it.
It's completely green, but I don't mind the green. I like it. It keeps it kind of light in here.
Yeah, I was a little worried with how dark the paint color actually comes out to be, but I feel like with the tiles and the white accent, or the green being the accent, it's still pretty light and airy in here as a whole, especially with the doors open.
I think my favorite part is all the hooks and the sticky tape that we hung up all our paintings with, just to make it feel a little bit less like a car sometimes.
And as much as the tiles are kind of a pain, I think the tiles are my favorite part. I don't know if I would do them again, but I probably would. They were so super cheap, and even if they're sliding around just a little bit, they still look so cute.
If you want to see the renovations video, then check out the video card above.
And leave us a comment down below of what your favorite part of our redecoration was.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We hope you have a great day, a great week, and we will see you soon. Bye!